If you have a valid passport and you are ready to land in the United States of America in 2025 with all travel expenses paid for including your living expenses, trust me, you wouldn't want to miss this video. Please watch it till the very end. So today I'll be talking about a fellowship program that will be happening soon. So please apply as soon as possible, as everyone is invited to apply. They are accepting applications at the moment and it is open to all nationalities. And also keep in mind that insurance for all academic and leadership programs and other related expenses are paid for. Qualified applicants will be able to explore many different opportunities. Please watch this video to the very end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that YouTube can recommend this video to everyone, including your loved ones, and they can stand a chance to be relocating to the US by 2025. Let's dive in. Welcome to my channel, and where are you watching from? Tell me in the comments section. So today I'm going to be sharing a very rare, fully funded opportunity for young people and even older people who globally want to travel. Okay, so if you are a youth or an older person across the world and you are interested in combating humanity's problems, it can be musical problem, it can be a moral problem, it can be an environmental problem, it can be a climatical problem, and you're just someone that has a big heart for humanity, then this is definitely something that you should be looking at. As I earlier mentioned, it is a fully funded opportunity in the United States of America, which actually caters for all of your program needs, including your flight, your accommodation, your feeding, and any other cost that you may incur while participating in this fellowship. So I'm gonna actually cover everything that you need to know about this fellowship in a little bit. It is called the NHE fellowship. So please don't skip any part of this video, as at the very end of the video I'm going to be sharing the few of the many fellowship programs that they have. And please note, they are individual fellowship programs and they are programs for organizations or for a group of people that are working together, and they're also awards that they give to people that have like a strong projects to fund whatever program they want to do, as long as it's related to humanities. But of course, for every award or every fellowship grant that you will get, for you to qualify, you need to detailedly look at the requirements before applying. Without any further ado or say, let's dive into the different fellowship programs that are available. So looking at our screen, as you can see, one amongst many, the Institute of Cato Fellowship, the awards for faculty institutions sustaining cultural heritage collections, and many more. And note that application and notification dates for 2024, and every fellowship has a different application date. So depending on what you qualify for, you have to look into the application date. I'm just giving a highlight. In a minute, we're going to be looking at the website in detail. So, okay, so this is what the website looks like once you get in. On our screen, we are just seeing different examples of projects that were funded by this grant program. And these are projects that were funded, maybe people that submitted in a group, and many more. And if you're if you're wondering what the process looks like, so you have step one, you have 5 stages basically, or 4, if I'm not wrong. So the first step, they're gonna review your application. They will see if you even qualify for the very initial step, and you can always go into detail and look at what the funding opportunity notice looks like. You can download that and read through it. After that, you'll be able to register at grants.gov account. If you have already registered before, then you just need to log in, but everything happens at the grantsgov.com. In many parts of this video, you're going to see where to apply, and then after that, you're done with the application stage. You just have to follow the instructions outlined in the notice for new opportunity and grants gov. After that, you're going to submit your application package, and then you just need to keep monitoring and see if they need anything from you. Keep in mind you need a reference from your recommenders approximately 7 to 10 days after the application deadline. You will be notified by email when each of your letters of reference have been received. Once your final confirmation is received, and then they're going to advise you on the next steps, and if you qualify, you're going to be receiving your funds. Oh, sorry. And if you apply for a fellowship, then you're going to be traveling to take part in this fellowship. So these are just a sample of some of the openings that are there. They're having awards for all these different programs on the screen: classics, British literature, comparatively aesthetic, school wall, many different things. And guys, please know this is like I went on the historical part of things to give us a breakdown. It's so vast, every section. So if you're interested in music, it has its detailed breakdown there. So you see, you can filter if you're an individual or if you're an organization. You can also filter if you want to see if they're currently accepting applications or not. You can filter by division, you can filter by project type, and so many other filters to just make your work easier. So you will not be applying for an individual if it's an organization, and vice versa. So this website is just super packed, and the scholarships and grants and fellowship amounts range from $2,500 to 100,000. No. I think it was the maximum I saw was $900,000. I don't even want to start to convert that in my mind because it is crazy. It is a lot. And as you can see the deadline on the site, I looked at those ones that the deadline is still approaching, so you still have more than enough time. Please note, some the deadlines have passed for 2024, but there are hundreds of them where the deadline is in 2025. So that's why I brought here, because there is still time. There are others that are expiring in November, there are others that are expiring in December, others January next year, others February. So make sure to just navigate through it and see what you qualify for. As you can see here, this is for digital projects. It covers up to 100,000 for photocopying grants, 400,000 for production grants, 30,000 for discovery grants. Sorry about my voice. I don't know. I need to drink some water. Yeah, so you see, it just covers a lot of vast opportunity. And as I earlier mentioned, for every field that you chose, you just need to filter according to your field, and you're going to see all the requirements, and then you can apply for that, right? So the ones for 2024, most of them, like the ones for early 2024, are over, but then as I've said, there are so many opportunities coming up, and they cover everything. If they were to give you $700,000, guys, tell me, will it not cover everything, and you still have enough, more than enough in your pocket? So please consider it. This is just an example of one of the programs that were funded. It's under the musical field, and it was a group project, an organizational project, sorry. So if you want to, if you're doing your research under any field, you can go and see the projects that have been funded. I say this because if you look at the projects that have been funded, you can have an idea of what they are looking for and how to also present your own project. If you're an individual, you go to the individual part, see what has been funded, and see how to stand a chance of getting that money. They also, if you're an educator, you also have a chance of getting some money. They also sponsor, they have awards and funds for staffs if you're teaching in a school, as long as it's under humanity, anything that's to do with humanity. And then you can also check detailing the different breakdown and see if what you are teaching or what you're covering falls under that list or something that interests you. Then you can definitely apply for that and see if you stand a chance. So there is literally funds. It looks like they have a lot of funds. If you just want to develop yourself professionally, They have funds set aside for that. As long as you be doing good for humanity. If you want to improve your teaching skills, they have funds set for that, as long as you want to improve humanity, guys. So there is basically something for almost everybody. So please share with someone out there that might be interested, and don't stop or block somebody's opportunity to get this grant. It is a lot of money. It is a lot of money that they are ready to give, as long as you qualify and you go through all the requirements. And for every program, you're able to see the number of awards there, the number of applications. And for this particular program, guys, it's not very common, so many people are not even aware of it. So there are not so many applications. So if you come across this video, make it go viral so many people can know about it and just stand a chance of getting a lot of funds to do good for humanity. Not just have a lot of money, but also do something good for humanity, as we need this world to be a better place. So guys, if you watched up to this point, you are a legend. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.